Now let's look at another question here. Find the equation of the line with gradient minus and pass through the point. Now, so this is the second condition whereby we are given the gradient and you're given a point where the line passes through. Now you're supposed to find the equation of the line. So for this case where you're given the m, you're given a point, okay, point 1. So we have to use this formula. This y minus y1 over m x minus x1. Okay, let's substitute the value. y1 is minus 5. Okay, m is actually minus 7 over 9. X minus x1 is minus 3. Okay, now simplify, minus minus plus 5 minus 7 over 9x. Oops, sorry, not yet. This one become x plus 3. Now let's expand this, which is minus 7 over 9 times x, then plus minus 7 over 9 times 3, cancel 3. Okay, do it over here. Since y equal to minus 7 over 9x, this one is minus, okay, this one is minus, come from here, minus 7 over 9, so it's actually minus 7 over 3. Okay, this one bring over, become minus 1. So minus 7 over 9x, this minus 2 and 1/3 minus 5. So what you get is minus 7 over 9x minus 7 over 1 over 2. Okay, so this will be the equation for the line with a gradient of minus 7 over 9, which is here, and then it passes through the point. So we're going to substitute the coordinate of y1 and x1 here. This is what we get. Let's go to the next. Find the equation of line that passes through this point and parallel to this. Now, let's write this equation and y equal to mx plus c. Okay, we want to find this equation of this line. Let's say it's y equal to mx plus c. Okay, now but we also say that this line is parallel with this line. Okay, so from this line, given line, we're going to find the gradient so that we can use the gradient and put onto here. Okay, now so what we're going to do is we're going to rearrange in the standard format in order to find the gradient. Okay, so minus 3y 3y here, bring over this, bring over to a minus 2x. Okay, y equal to minus 2 or 3, this bring over plus 5 over 3. Okay, now that becomes minus 2 or 3x plus 1, 2 or 3. Okay, now therefore we know that the standard equation of the 1 in front, then mx plus c. Okay, so this m here is the minus 2 or 3 is actually the m, which is the gradient of this line. So m is actually minus 2 or 3, but we know that this line that we're going to find the equation actually parallel with this. Therefore, we're going to use this. So it will become minus 2 or 3x plus c. But is the equation fully known? Not yet, because why? We still have a c value, the y-intercept. But we know that it passed through this point. So we're going to use the same methodology, which is left side equal to the right side. Remember? Since this question at least say that it passed with this point, so the left side must equal to the right side. So we're going to substitute point minus 4 6. Okay, I'm going to substitute into here and make them equal. Why equal? Because the line actually passed through this point, so the left side must equal to the right side. So y is actually 6 minus 2 over 3. X is minus 4 plus c. So 6 minus times minus become plus. So 2 times 4 become 8 over 3 plus c. Therefore, you go up here, okay? C equal to 6 minus 8 over 3. This term we're going to move to the left hand side. So this 6 minus 2 and 2/3. Okay, now if you minus, you will get 3 and 1/3. Okay, if you minus this, so you get 3 and 1/3. Therefore, the equation now is fully known, which is y equal to, from here, so minus 2 over 3 x plus c, which is 3 and 1/3. Okay, so this is the answer. Now find the equation line joining the 2 points. Oh, this one we have to use this. y1 x minus x1 equal to y2 x2 minus y1 minus x1. Okay, let's say this is point 1, this is point 2. So what we're going to use is we're going to substitute y point 1. This, remember, this minus 7 over x minus x1, which is 2. Then y2, which is this, is 3. X2 is minus 4. Then minus 7. This is 2. Okay. Minus 7 and 2. Now, so you're going to simplify this. It's going to be minus become plus, so it's 10. So this is minus 6. Bring the minus up, so this becomes simplified 5/3, so it's 5 over 3. So this actually is the gradient m. Okay, now, so this y plus 7 over x minus 2 is equal to minus 5 over 3. Okay, now, so I'm going to bring this term to the opposite side. So it's y plus 7 equal to minus 5 over 3 x minus 2. Okay, now so this minus 5 over 3 x minus times minus become plus, so it's 5 over 3 times 2 y plus 7. Now let's do it over here. So it's y plus 7, so this minus 5 over 3x. Now this plus, so 5 times 2, 10 over 3. Now minus 5 over 3x, this become 3 and 1/3. Okay, now further y equal to minus 5 over 3x become plus 3 1/3 minus 7. So it become minus 5 over 3x. If you combine these two, you end up with minus 2 over 3. Okay, now, so this become the equation of the line that passed through these 2 points. Okay, that's it, quite straightforward.